Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price has moved in the last week and how the crude price can move in the next week. See, if we see at the chart, what we can see that the crude has made a low of around 65.10. Okay, and this low is made after in the month of July. We can see that the low it has made of around 65. Okay, but in the month of June it was in the continuous upside trend, and on 24th of May it has made a low, and this low has not been tested, and we have seen a bounce back at this level of 65. Why we have seen this level? Because people might be booking profit at this level, because we have seen a continuous rise in the price of crude since all these months. If you look at this chart, we can see the trend was upside, and at this level, which is a 5 years high, it has people might be booking profit at this level, and that's when it has moved to a level of 65. Okay, so and there are other reasons also. Okay, so now what we can see here, after making a low at this particular range, we have seen that a red candle formed, and that create a 65.12 very strong support. Okay, and now from touching at this level, it reached and was moving in this particular range, and once this range breaks, it moved upside. Okay, and from there it is from 20th July it is moving continuously upside and made a high of around 72. And now after this is the range, it broke upside and moved upside. Now it is moving in this particular range. So what we can see, okay, if you look at this trend, you look at this properly, we can see that the trend of this particular range is high is around 72 and the low is around 71.37. Suppose if the price goes above a level of 71.85, if it stays above this level of 71.72, then it can touch a level of 71.85, and if sustain this level, then we can see a level of 72.12, and this level is already only tested once, so chances will be very high that the price can bounce back from this level, the 72. Okay, suppose if it breaks this level, or if it goes down from this side, then chances will be high that 71.98 is a crucial support. If it breaks this level, then it can touch a level of 71.87. Suppose if it break this level, then we can see a level of 70. Suppose if it break this level, then we can see a level of 72.28, and if it, because this level is already tested here twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 72.60, and once 72.60 is touched, then we can see a level of 72.82, and from there we can see a level of 70.94 is touched, then we can see a level of 73.39, and if it sustain this level, then we can see a level of 73.50. okay, and suppose if it sustain this level also, then we can see a level of 73.73, and if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 73.81. okay, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 74.13. okay, and from there it can touch a level of 74.44. okay, and this level is only tested once, so chance will be very high that it can bounce back from this level. Suppose if it goes above that level, then we can see a level of 74.75, and from there we can see a level of 74.92, and 74.92 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 75.18, and once 75.18 touch, then we can see that the market, the crude price again in the bullish form, and then it can touch a level of 75.52, and from there it can touch a level 75.62. so when the price will go above 75, then I will make another video. But before that, suppose if the price didn't sustain our level of 71, okay, didn't sustain this level, and chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 71.41, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 71.18. okay, suppose if it didn't sustain this level, then we can see a level of 70.53, and if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 70.39. okay, suppose if it goes more below that level, then we can see a level of 70.16. okay, suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 69.90 also. okay, so what we have to understand that, suppose if the price go, now it is trading at 71.71, so if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 71.46, and this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 71.38. From there it can touch a level of 71.12. If you have any doubt regarding crude position, please mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com. okay, or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video. Okay, and if you have any doubt, you can mail me, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can watch. Okay, and see, if we look at this price, okay, suppose if it goes below that 71.37, then it can touch a level of 71.18, and from there it can touch a level of 70.53. okay, this level is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 70.27. okay, suppose 70.27 didn't sustain, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 69.84. okay, once 69.84 didn't touch that level, then we can see a level of 69.51. okay, suppose 69.51 didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 68.30. okay, so this is what I want to tell you, that if didn't sustain this level of 70, if didn't sustain a level of 69.87, then we can see a level of 69.76. okay, suppose 69.76 didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 69.54, and from there we can see a level of 68.92. okay, and 68.92 is already tested twice, so chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 68.34, and once 68.34 is didn't sustain, then we can see a level of 67.57, and from there we can see a level of 67.14, and when 67.14 is touched, then we can see a level of 67 also. okay, and now the price will come in this particular range. So once this particular range, if it comes to this, then we can see a level of 66.52 if it didn't sustain a level of 67, and 166.4 it didn't sustain, then chances will be very high that it can touch a level of 65.82. okay, once 65.82 is touched, then we can see that a strong support is coming at a level of 65.64. okay, once 65.64 is touched, then we can see a level of 65 also. So if any doubt regarding crude, please mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and you can mail me, and we can fix a one-on-one meeting also. Link I have given in the description. okay, please, so you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com also. okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.